Hey y'all, what is up? How you doing? What you doing? If you don't know by now, my name is Ellen Marie and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have a bonnet on. That means we're gonna do something to this hair. Okay, if you like my bonnet, then you know it's on Ecoslay. I put a discount code on the screen and y'all can go ahead and pick it up. It does turn inside out to be just green, so if y'all want the green, yeah, I can do that one. They have a pink one too. But today we're gonna be doing a hairstyle. Lately I've just been in a runt with my hair. Let me put y'all down a little bit. I have not been wanting to do anything to my hair. Like I'll wash it, do the wash and go, and then I'll put it up in the next 2 or 3 days. And usually I only do that for the 4th to 5th day. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I need a switch up, a change to my hair. I always want to dye my hair. But I have been looking at these colors that I want to do to my hair, but we're not here for that video. So here we do a hairstyle. We'll talk about it in another video. If y'all want to have a little hair update with me, if y'all want me to do a little chit chat, let me know. But today we do a hairstyle. I've done this hairstyle before. I'll try to put a picture or two of the hairstyle, but I've done it before and it's super simple. It's not just a puff. I don't want to do too many puffs, but because I've been doing a lot of puffs, I don't want my hair to have that little breakage around it, whatever. But I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like. Don't talk about it, okay? Try not to talk about it because we'll talk about it, okay? So I'm sorry, it's just like, oh my god, I did not know that was right there. Like, okay, so I have a mirror right here and like the flaking in the front is crazy. But we're not fixing today. You know, actually today I was supposed to wash my hair, supposed to use some new products because like I said in the last video, my scalp and stuff, but no. I just didn't get up to it today and it's already like 4 o'clock and I have something to do later, so no, I can't. So some of the curls are still intact. You see them? Some of the curls are still intact. And I did like a high puff with my little tendrils and stuff the other day. So yeah, but okay. So for this hairstyle first, I'm going to apply some oil to my scalp because like I said, my scalp is on fire. I have the Do Get Honey hair and scalp serum. I think I've showed this to you all before. I have this. It says soothes and refreshes scalp at the source and calms itching between shampoos with no burning or buildup. And it says it seals ends and helps prevent breakage or heat damage. I think I'm gonna use this. I also have you know, tried and true, the Mielle Rosemary Mint Drops. I have that as tried and true. And then I have this that I got a long time ago for a campaign. This is the Aloe Flourish Hair and Scalp Herbal Infusion. I showed this to y'all too, but I think it was on TikTok. This one has like the stuff at the bottom, so I've been using both of those like at night, but I think I'm gonna use this one because it says it's gonna soothe my scalp, and right now, baby, the scalp, it needs soothing. So y'all see this? I'm gonna show y'all a little bit. It's like the consistency is very like, it's goopy. See? Okay, that's just gonna go right there. But I'm gonna put this in the front. I'm really gonna put this all over my, ooh, it's so cold. Ooh, and if y'all see the lighting go out in and out and stuff, it's because of I still haven't found my stuff. I think somebody stole it. I'm pretty sure somebody stole it because my car did get broken into like 2 weeks ago. So I think they stole that, and that's the only thing they took, which is crazy. But I have to order a new tripod, so I only can film in the sunlight for right now. And that kit I got, whew, it was like almost $200. Okay, so I applied that to my, ooh, it feels so cold. Ooh, it do feel good now. Ooh, okay, it's doing something. Let me put a little bit more on this side because it's a little dry over here. That feels really good. Maybe because it's cold, but it is to my scalp. And it helped a little bit with the flaking, not right there, but y'all know what I mean. So what I'm going to do is, after I did that, now I'm going to part my hair off. I don't know what kind of part I did last time. I mean, I know what kind of part, but I don't know like how big I did last time. I think I want to do kind of smaller this time. I don't know. And I feel like this is going to be harder to do because my hair is tangled, as y'all can see. Whew. Okay, this is gonna take me a minute to do this because my hair is so tangled, and y'all know I'm really bad at parting, so this is gonna take me a minute. So I'll be back once I you know, get this part down. Okay, so I got it. So what I'm gonna do is just put it up for right now, because as y'all saw in the picture, I have to braid, and I'm not really the best at braiding, okay, but I'm going to try my best. So to like get my hair together, I'm going to spray it with water. I don't want it too wet because then it's gonna like revert. Okay, so this is what my part is looking like. It's not straight, and I want it to be a little bit smaller, but my hair is too tender right now for all that. So I do have some of this Sangria from Ecoslay. I'm gonna spray that. It's just to give my hair some you know, it's like some moisture to it, because it's like a refreshing spray. Ooh, and that smells so good. Ooh, this makes my hair a little soft for me to work with. Okay, this is gonna be good. Now when braiding my hair, I like to braid, like do this braid on hair that's like not freshly washed and stuff, and it's not easy to be detangled because it just looks better. I don't know why, but sometimes it'd be like hard to like grab pieces, so I'm going to detangle a little bit, finger detangle a little bit. And y'all know I'm not a finger detangle, but that Sangria just helped me, because why it's just melting now. I don't even feel like it's no tangles. But okay, so I am not a braider, so this is not a braid tutorial, but I'm going to start off with 3 pieces, and I might just fast forward this because like I said, I am not a braider. Okay, so I'm gonna put this comb right here because that's why I really didn't want to spray my hair, but it needed something. It was too dry to just start braiding that joint. Okay, so I'm gonna start braiding, and I have a mirror beside me or behind the camera, so it's gonna help me because whoop. Okay, the comb did not stay for long, and this is not gonna be the neatest braid. Last time I did this and I put it on TikTok or whatever, it looked really neat, but I think that's just because I had the big mirror. I don't know. So there's the braid. I've got a little piece dangling, but it's okay. Because my hair is shedding because I haven't washed it in like 2 weeks. So next we're gonna move on to my hair. Now I did a puff in that one, and before I did the picture I put on the screen, I did like a claw clip hairstyle. But I mean, it really don't matter which one you do. It's just your preference. Ooh, my scalp feels so much better. It's not like really tingly like it was. But again, I'm gonna spray some water. And this is gonna help me get whatever style I wanna get. So if I wanna do a puff, I wanna do a ponytail, I wanna do a, what you call it, claw clip. And I'm gonna spray my ends too, just because they need some help too. Like I said before, my hair is really dry, so I'm gonna use the Sangria again just for my ends to give it some nutrients besides water. And my hair is already coming out. It's trying to shadow me, but we're not detangling you right now, ma'am. So you need to get it together. And last time I did it up, I don't know if I want to do it. Do I want to do it down? No, I want to do it up. Just because, I don't know. I feel like when it's up, it gets bigger or higher. I really don't know. I don't know. But we're going to take my Tangle Teaser and just going to brush it up. This will help me, like, get out or get the bumps and stuff out of the roots. Because you know how like when you do ponytails and then your hair is like bumpy, you got like bumps and humps in it. I don't want that. Now granted, I only plan to wear this style for about a day, but yeah, I still want it to look nice, put together. Well, I'm really only gonna wear it for today. I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow. But okay, so I've got it up for the most part, and I want to pull at the ends just to make sure that I got all the hair. So then what I'm gonna do, my arms is hurting already, but you gotta work through it. Spray my edges and my perimeter because we're going to apply some Ecostyler And I don't want to use too much just because I already have this on my hair, and that's probably why it's flaking up, because I just keep applying gel after gel. But we need this to help it be sleeker. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on the perimeter of the ponytail, or like the base of it, whatever you want to call it. And I really don't want to put a lot on the back, but I put a little bit just so that I can brush it and it'll be put together. Okay, now I'm going to take a hard bristle brush. I really need to clean mine, but that's not the point. To be honest, I feel like when it's dirty it works better. We're just going to brush all the hair up to where we want it to sit. This is going to help it lay flat. Oh, my arm. Whew. My arm. Would Jesus give up? No, he would not. Okay. So I do want to brush out some of my edges because I'm going to do my edges. Okay. I think now we're ready for the ponytail. This arm, I don't know what's going on this arm, but it's hurting. Okay, so I have 2 scrunchies because 2 scrunchies just makes it tighter and I don't have to loop it around as much. But whew, my arms is hurting, but we're just gonna put it in a ponytail. Ooh, okay, I like to do mine 3 or 4 times. I think I'm only gonna get 3 because my arm. Oh my gosh. This is what they say. Did you go to the gym? Yep, I went to the gym, but I did it in my room. Okay, so that's my hair, right? I have that out. I'm just gonna do my edges with the Ecostyler, okay? Just gonna do my edges. Let's go that way. And again, this is an optional step. You don't have to do the edges, but I feel like edges make styles really cute, especially with me, especially when we have a big forehead. And since I have this braid, it's like showing all of my 5 head. So they'll go to edges. And I don't have a bobby pin, but I could just put it in a ponytail. Let me see. Can I just slap it in there? I'm just gonna pinch this into the ponytail. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna do the other side of my edges with this. I think I forgot to pull out like my edges that I be pulling out. Yeah, I did, because this don't look right. It's like kind of jaggedy. But I'm gonna do a little bit of my edges because I didn't pull everything out, so it looks kind of crazy. But this is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna, because I saw all them lines in there. I'm trying to like blur them, so we're gonna do that. Okay, so that's what we got. Okay, and now I'm gonna take the Kiss Edgefixer glue. This is the max. So this is the grape scent. I like grape. Everybody be like they like the strawberry stuff. I like grape. I love this stuff. And I'm just gonna put this on my edges. This is gonna help keep everything in place. And I pretty much use this stuff every day. That's probably again why my hair is flaking, because I have so much gel, edge control, oils, everything. I just need to wash my hair. But look, when life gets to lifing, sometimes the hair gotta take a back seat. Okay, so after doing that, I'm just gonna reinforce my edges on how I did them a few seconds ago with just the Ecostyler Gel. So I'm just gonna reinforce it. And basically y'all are getting a how to do my edges tutorial right now. And I'll be giving those out for free. Yeah, I do. I lied. But anyways, and I like to brush everything up into the ponytail, okay? Brush everything up. Okay. A little swoop, okay? Okay, and I'm brushing everything up into my ponytail because I saw how it was coming out. Now, you could leave your ponytail like this, and sometimes I do. I don't know if I'm going to, because I sprayed it with water, so now it's like shrinking up. It's not as big, but I'm going to leave it like this. But this what we got, y'all. This is the final look. Last time I had it in the back. Yeah, last time I had it in the back. I am going to wrap my little. I have my handy dandy scarf, okay? This scarf. My mom said this scarf been passed down for years. I don't know about all that because I don't know. But I'm going to wrap my hair with this. So I'm going to start in the back. Okay. And this is going to lay my braid down flat. And it's going to lay my edges down. Whew. If I don't come back, then I'll just post the pictures. But if I do come back, I'm going to show y'all in like 10-15 minutes what my hair look like. Because I'm not going anywhere. I was going to do my eyebrows. But that's just wasting product, I feel like. Because it's already 5 o'clock. I'm gonna let this sit for like 10-15 minutes, okay? And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna see what we're working with. But basically that was the final result. But just to see everything all set and molded together, I'll be back. Oh, so I y'all can see, I'm snacking right now because I'm hungry. It's been about 15. Oh Lord. Lord, I would have died and y'all would have seen it all. I would have died on camera. That's crazy. I never died on camera before. Woo. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes and I'm really hungry. I'm all done. 15 minutes just went by, so I'm gonna take this down. Y'all can see. Boo, it's looking flat, Tiana. Okay, I'll put that right there. So this is what the hair is looking like. This could be a little flatter, but it's okay. It's old hair. I really don't care. My skin is glowing, okay? And my hair looks good. Y'all let me know what hairstyles I want me to try because my birthday, I think I want to do hairstyles. My birthday is in 2 weeks. So I think I want to do like a curly style. I've been on Pinterest looking, but you know, I really want y'all input. And if y'all don't follow me on Instagram, y'all can always send me inspo on there or on TikTok. My Instagram will be up here, my TikTok will be up here, and everything will be down below in the description box, so y'all can follow me, check me out. But yeah, comment down some hairstyles, tell me to do. I'm always saying comment down some products, but I'm trying to use up my stash, so I'm doing good lately. So but yeah, these are my final results. I hope y'all love it. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and I hope I gave you some info for today. If you want another video, I have one up on TikTok, and I have other videos of all the other hairstyles that I've done on my channel. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to hit that like button if you like today's video, and make sure to subscribe button before you get out of here today, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. I have a chip in my hand, so I can't, bye.